How to find groups on Roblox PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding finding groups on Roblox on PlayStation 4 and whether it's feasible. Groups are a prominent feature on Roblox, accessible on various platforms like mobile and PC. You can navigate to the Groups tab to engage with the different communities, join content creator groups, participate in giveaways, and more. However, the ability to find and join groups directly on Roblox from a PlayStation 4 poses a challenge. Upon launching Roblox on a PlayStation 4, you will observe that the group option is conspicuously absent from the home screen. Regrettably, groups are presently unavailable on PlayStation 4, but you can join a group using your Roblox account associated with your PlayStation 4. The direct discovery of the groups on the console is not supported. Therefore, to address this limitation, I'll present an alternative method for accessing the groups using a mobile device or a PC. To proceed, sign into your Roblox account on the mobile app or the website with the same credentials used on your PlayStation 4. Navigate to the Groups section by selecting the three dots or the Accessing the Groups option from the web browser menu. Here you can join, create, and manage groups, compensating for the absence of this feature on the PlayStation 4 version. By leveraging the additional platforms like on a mobile or the PC, you can effectively engage with the groups. This video aims to inform viewers about the constraints of finding and joining groups solely through a PlayStation 4. Utilizing alternative platforms is crucial for group interaction in such cases. I trust that this guidance on discovering groups on Roblox with the PlayStation 4 has been valuable. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.